Teaching today is a real juggling act. You're planning lessons, creating materials, grading assignments, giving feedback, and handling a mountain of admin work, all at once. It's no wonder so many teachers feel completely stretched and exhausted. It's not a lack of passion, it's a lack of time. What if I told you there are tools that can give you back hours every single week? In this video, I'm going to share 5 incredible AI tools that are designed to help you. The teacher work smarter, not harder. These tools won't replace you because nothing can replace the human connection in teaching. Instead, they'll act as your personal assistant, freeing you up to focus on what you do best. Let's dive in. First on our list is a tool you've probably heard of, ChatGPT. Think of it as your brainstorming partner and teaching assistant rolled into one. Need a lesson plan on the water cycle for 5th graders? Done. How about some thought-provoking discussion questions for a literature class? ChatGPT can generate them in seconds. You can ask it to create quizzes, worksheets, project rubrics, and even sample feedback to help you get started. The key is to use it as a starting point. Instead of staring at a blank page, you get a solid, structured draft that you can then tweak and personalize for your students' specific needs and your unique teaching style. This isn't about letting AI do your job. It's about automating the repetitive prep work. It handles the tedious parts, so you can pour your energy into creativity, classroom interaction, and making learning magical for your students. Imagine having an extra hour or two every day just by cutting down on that initial drafting time. That's the power of using ChatGPT wisely. Next up, let's talk about making your teaching materials pop. The second tool is Canva AI. Many of you already know and love Canva for its user-friendly design interface, but its new AI features take it to a whole new level. We all want our presentations, worksheets, and classroom posters to be visually engaging, but who has the time to become a graphic designer? This is where Canva AI steps in. You can simply describe the kind of design you want, and its magic design feature will generate a range of beautiful, professional-looking templates for you to choose from. It can suggest layouts, color palettes, and even find the perfect graphics for your topic. Need to create a quick animated video to explain a concept? Canva's AI can help with that too. It transforms the task of creating materials from a time-consuming chore into a quick, creative, and even fun process. With Canva AI, your teaching resources will look more polished and captivating than ever, and you'll get it all done in a fraction of the time. The third tool is an absolute lifesaver for anyone who writes, and that's Grammarly. As teachers, we are constantly writing. We write instructions for assignments, detailed feedback for students, emails to parents, and official school documents. Ensuring everything is clear, professional, and grammatically perfect is crucial, but it's also incredibly time-consuming to manually proofread every single word, especially when you have 150 essays to get through. Grammarly acts as your real-time writing assistant. It goes beyond simple spell checking. It checks for grammatical errors, suggests ways to improve clarity and conciseness, and can even help you adjust your tone to be more encouraging or formal, depending on the context. You can use it directly in your browser, in your email, and in Word documents. By letting Grammarly handle the meticulous task of proofreading, you save mental energy and precious time. It reduces the stress of writing and ensures your communication is always top-notch, allowing you to focus on the content and message you want to deliver. Our fourth tool is for all the organization lovers out there, or for those who wish they were more organized. It's Notion AI. If your digital life feels like a chaotic mess of different apps and documents, Notion is here to bring order to the chaos. It's an all-in-one workspace where you can manage literally everything related to your teaching life. Think lesson plans, class schedules, meeting notes, curriculum maps, student information, and your personal to-do lists, all in one beautifully organized place. Now, with the integration of Notion AI, it gets even better. You can use its AI features to instantly summarize long articles or meeting notes into key takeaways. You can ask it to generate a checklist of tasks from a block of text or brainstorm ideas for your next project-based learning unit. It can even help you translate your notes or improve your writing directly within the platform. For teachers juggling multiple classes and responsibilities, Notion AI is a game-changer for productivity. It streamlines your workflow, keeps all your important information at your fingertips, and helps you feel more in control of your busy schedule. Finally, let's talk about assessment. Creating, administering, and grading quizzes and tests is one of the most repetitive and time-consuming parts of a teacher's job. That brings us to our 5th category of tools: AI-powered assessment platforms. Think of tools like Quizzes AI or Magic School AI. These platforms are designed specifically to automate the creation of assessments. You can simply provide a topic, a piece of text, or even a link to a YouTube video, and the AI will generate a variety of questions for you. It can create multiple choice questions, true or false, fill in the blanks, and even open-ended questions. You can specify the difficulty level, the number of questions, and align them with your specific learning objectives. This doesn't just save you hours of writing questions from scratch. It also allows you to quickly create differentiated practice materials for your students. Once the students complete the quiz online, many of these platforms will grade it automatically, giving you instant data on student performance. This frees you up from the tedious task of grading and allows you to spend your time analyzing the results, identifying learning gaps, and planning targeted interventions to help your students succeed. So let's recap. We've looked at ChatGPT for lesson planning, Canva AI for creating beautiful materials, Grammarly for polished writing, Notion AI for ultimate organization, and AI assessment tools for saving time on quizzes. The message here is clear: artificial intelligence is not a threat to the teaching profession. It's a powerful ally. It's not here to replace the irreplaceable human element of teaching. Instead, it's here to handle the repetitive, time-draining tasks so that you can work smarter and reclaim your time. When we use these tools responsibly, we free ourselves up to focus on what truly matters: connecting with our students, fostering their curiosity, mentoring their growth, and inspiring a lifelong love of learning. That's the heart of teaching, and AI is here to help us protect it. If you found this helpful and want more practical tips on using AI to boost your teaching and productivity, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.